at home. Look.
Sonic screwdriver.
Sonic screwdriver. Look at the one you've got.
Look at mine. The 10 Sonic screwdriver. Why have I still got my headphones in? Look.
Mine's 11 years old.
Here's mine. Mine makes some sound.
Wait. This is brighter, look.
And look, I have a Sonic lab stack that doesn't even work.
Yeah, we can't get the Skrillex chipped.
If this will focus.
There.
Well, it hasn't focused, but it's eroded. It's all burnt. I mean, what? It's all dead. But anyway, still like it. See, that's what it looks like.
It's really cool if the sound makes it, though.
Tew. It's like...
Yeah, it's like that. There we go. Bye.